Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to invite friends to a game in Among Us on your phones. Very easy to do. All you have to do is click on online to start a game, and then obviously you just want to host your own game. So just under host here, you're going to click on create game, and then you just want to click on the map or anything that you want to set up in your game, max players, chat, any other settings that you want to change right here. And then once you're done doing that, you want to click on confirm. And then confirm one more time, and you'll be able to start up your game just like I am here. Now you guys see under the start button there's a code. Mine is EYYYQQ. Now that is the code that you want to send off to your friends, so you can either text it to your friends or just let them know that's the code that they need to join. And then what they will need to do, as I'm just going to exit out of here really quick, what they need to do when they come onto the game is they want to click on online as well. But then they're actually going to click on private right here, and you see where it says enter code. They want to go ahead and click on that, and they're going to type in the code that you put there for them. And then once they type that code in and click on join at the bottom here, then they will be able to join your game as long as you're still hosting it, and you guys will be able to play together. Very easy to set up. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get your friends to join your game in Among Us. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.